Hi, I'm Kevin with Members First, and I'm here to show you how to transfer money using our free external transfer service. This digital banking service allows our members to easily transfer money between their Members First account and accounts they own at other US-based financial institutions. Here's how it works. Log into your Members First account and click Pay and Transfer. You can then connect your other US-based financial institution by clicking on Transfer Money, followed by Add External Account. It's important to note that you, as the member, must be the owner on the external account you are transferring money to or from. First, you will need to enter the routing number of the external financial institution. Select a nickname for this account, then click Continue. Next, enter the external account number and select account type. Click Continue, confirm that the information you entered is accurate, and click Continue again. After you have confirmed your external account information, the trial deposit message will appear. Read this message in full, then click Done. The external account has now been added to your online banking with the label Trial Deposit Pending. You will also receive an email alerting you that a new external account has been added. Following receipt of trial deposits by your external financial institution, it's now time for validation. Navigate back to the Transfer Money tab in your account and click Manage Transfers. Once there, locate the external account with the awaiting verification status. Click on the external account, then click Verify. After that, you will be instructed to enter the trial deposit totals that were sent to your external account next to Transfer Number 1 and Transfer Number 2 sections. Then click Done. Don't worry if the amounts are wrong at first. You have 3 attempts to enter the correct amounts. Once you've successfully completed this step, a green banner will appear at the top of the page indicating your amounts matched. The external account information will also be listed. Click Done and you will be directed back to the Manage Transfer screen. Now that you've successfully added the external account, let's create a transaction by selecting Transfer Now. Select an account from each of the first 2 drop-down menus. You get to decide if you want to transfer to or from your external account. Enter the dollar amount you'd like to transfer, choose the frequency and when you'd like to make the transfer, then click Continue. Remember, any external transfers coming into Members First will take 3 business days to deposit to your account or loan. Confirm the transfer details and click Continue. A success screen will appear, which will also provide you with the expected delivery date of when the external transfer should deposit into your internal or external account. This is a great feature that takes the guesswork out of knowing when your funds are available. Next, click Done. Be sure to check your email for a message from noreply@membersfirst.org to confirm that your external transfer has been scheduled. Once you have received an email confirmation, you're all set. Let's say you made a mistake when entering the transfer information or just want to change the amount being transferred. Click Pay and Transfer, followed by Transfer Money, and click Manage Transfers. Locate the external transfer you wish to edit under Scheduled Transfers and click on that transfer to edit any of the following fields: amount, how often, or next transfer date. Then click Continue. Keep in mind, once a transfer is in process, it can no longer be edited. Confirm the updated transfer details and click Continue. A success screen will appear. Click Done. So what happens if you want to delete the transfer? Don't worry, you can do that too. Locate the external transfer you wish to delete under Scheduled Transfers and click on that transfer. Next, click Delete, then Continue. Just like with editing a transfer, once a transfer is in process, it can no longer be deleted. A green banner will appear at the top of the screen, stating the scheduled external transfer has been deleted, and you're done. To view your external transfer history, click Pay and Transfer, followed by Transfer Money. Then click on External Transfer History. From here, you'll be able to select previous, individual transfers for which you can view all the transfer details, including the anticipated delivery date for pending transfers. With Members First online banking and our mobile app, we can assist you with your financial needs anytime, anywhere. If you have any questions, just reach out to our customer service team through our chat on membersfirst.org or in the mobile app, and we will be happy to help you. Try it today, and thank you for choosing Members First.